Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host, and thank you for joining us. It's that time of year here in the Midwest when you will take every opportunity to ride before that awful time of year shows up called winter. Even if the wind is gusting up to 30 miles per hour, we will take the time to ride. This is just one of those days. I know many people tell you that Kansas is one of the most boring states to ride through. That's because most people only know the state from their ride on I-70, which I agree is boring. I thought I would show you the real rides that locals take. We do have some nice curved roads, and you get to enjoy some beautiful fall colors as the leaves are changing. Well, until the wind blows the leaves off the trees. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.